In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Gumroad account. If you've been contemplating selling your products online with minimal fuss, Gumroad could be the perfect platform for you. Let's dive right into the process of creating your account seamlessly. To start off, open your preferred web browser and type gumroad.com into the browser's address bar, then press enter. Once the site loads, you'll find yourself on Gumroad's homepage, greeted by a clean and user-friendly interface inviting you to begin your selling journey. Here, you'll want to locate the Start Selling button, typically prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking this button will transport you directly to the Sign Up page, where you'll be able to set up your account in just a few simple steps. On the Sign Up page, you'll notice several options available for creating your account. For the sake of simplicity, we'll focus on signing up with Google today. This method is particularly hassle-free and quick, especially if you're already logged into your Google account. To proceed, click on the Google icon, which will prompt a new window to open. This is where you'll be asked to choose the Google account you'd like to connect to your Gumroad profile. In case you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your online business or the products you're planning to sell. Once you've chosen the right account, click Continue to move forward. This step securely links your Google account with Gumroad, ensuring a smooth login experience in the future. At this point, an essential authentication token will be dispatched to your associated Gmail account. This crucial step is all about verifying your identity and ensuring the security of your setup. Simply head over to your Gmail inbox, locate this email, and copy the token provided. Afterward, return to the Gumroad page and paste your authentication token into the designated field. This will authenticate your account setup. Once you've pasted the token, click on Login, and you'll find yourself stepping right into your brand new Gumroad dashboard. Congratulations are in order. You've successfully created your Gumroad account, setting the stage for the exciting journey ahead. Now it's time to proceed to the Getting Started instructions. Gumroad offers a comprehensive guide designed to help you grasp the ins and outs of managing your store, uploading your products, and beginning to sell. Take some time to thoroughly go through these instructions to optimize your storefront. With your account all set up and a treasure trove of resources at your fingertips, you're now well on your way to embarking on the exciting journey of selling on Gumroad. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful. For more insights and detailed tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck with your selling journey on Gumroad.